इनडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म्स में आगे क्या करना है, अगर न्यूमरेटर फंक्शन as limit x tends to a f of x becomes infinity and limit as x tends to a g of x becomes infinity, then limit as x tends to infinity f of x by g of x will be equal to limit as x tends to infinity f dash x by g dash x. Means this is same as we have done the L'Hospital rule for 0 by 0 form. Now we will apply the same for infinity by infinity form. Now we discuss some examples, and examples are, first one is limit as x tends to a and logarithm of x minus a divided by logarithm of e to the power x minus e to the power a. And now we discuss this example. This is, we see that numerator limit as x tends to a log of x minus a tends to infinity, and also the denominator tends to infinity, so it becomes infinity by infinity forms. Now we apply L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, this limit will be equal to derivative of numerator and divided by derivative of denominator. Now derivative of log x minus a is 1 by x minus a, and derivative of this 1 by e to the power x minus e to the power a into e to the power x. Now simplify this, this becomes like this, and now again applying L'Hospital rule, we have now put x tends to a plus, and this becomes e to the power a divided by a minus a, and this is e to the power a by e to the power a, and this is 1, and this is the answer. Now second example is, evaluate x cube minus 8x square plus 2x plus 1 and divided by x to the power 4 minus x square plus 2x minus 3. Here limit is x tending to infinity. So first we पहले हम चेंज करेंगे x tends to infinity को 0, लिमिट 0 बनाएंगे. So we put for this x equal to 1 by y. Then as x tends to infinity, y will tend to 0. And now limit as y tends to 0, put x equal to 1 by I. So 1 by y cube minus 8y cube plus में 2 by y plus 1 and so on. Now simplify this. When you simplify this, this becomes like this, and put y equal to 0, and this becomes 0 by 1, so answer is 0. And if this has become 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, then we have to apply L'Hospital rule as earlier. Now next is evaluation of indeterminate form of the type 0 into infinity. So we change 0 into infinity into 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form as soon as possible, and then evaluate this by applying L'Hospital rule as earlier. Now we discuss example, and this example is, evaluate logarithm of x to the power m logarithm of x to the power n. Here limit as x tends to 0, x to the power m log x. This is 0 into infinity form. If we change it in 0 by 0 form, then this becomes x to the power m divided by logarithm of x to the power minus m. Then derivative of denominator will become difficult and difficult every time. So this is not desirable, and so we change this into infinity by infinity form. Now by changing it into infinity by infinity form and then applying L'Hospital rule. By L'Hospital rule, we take the derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator. This is the derivative of numerator, n into logarithm of x to the power n minus 1 into 1 by x, and minus m x to the power minus m minus 1, and this is equal to minus n by m log x to the power n minus 1 and x to the power minus m. अब आप नोट करो कि ऊपर n में से एक पावर घट गई है लेकिन नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में पावर वही है, ठीक है, और बाहर एक फैक्टर आ गया खाली n, यहाँ पे सिर्फ n है। देन this is infinity by infinity form again. So apply L'Hospital rule. When we apply L'Hospital rule, then again take derivative and this will become like this. Then here is minus 1 to the power 2 n into n minus 1 divided by m square, limit as x tends to 0 plus log x to the power n minus 2 divided by x to the power minus m. This is infinity by infinity form again. Now डिनोमिनेटर पावर इज सेम, न्यूमरेटर पावर 2 कम हो गई है। सो हम इसी तरह से आगे चलते जाएंगे स्टेप बाय स्टेप, और n स्टेप्स के बाद हमारे पास आ जाएगा ऊपर n से शुरू होके n फैक्टर्स एक एक कम करते हुए n इंटू n माइनस 1, n माइनस 2 एंड 1 तक, और नीचे m की पावर n, और माइनस 1 कितनी बार आ जाएगा n टाइम्स n। सो लिमिट एज x टेंड्स टू 0, log x की पावर हो गया, कितनी पावर कम हो गई, n पावर, n माइनस n, and so x to the power minus m, and so now take the limit and you will get 0 as answer. Okay, now next type, elevation of indeterminate form of the type infinity minus infinity. In these questions, if trigonometric ratios are involved like secant x, cot x, then change them into sin x and cos x, take LCM and make them 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. And we discuss the example, limit as x tends to 0 cot x minus 1 by x divided by x, and this is equal to limit as x tends to 0, change cot x into cos x by sin x, and now this becomes infinity minus infinity form, take LCM. And when you take LCM, this becomes like this. Now we remove this sin x first, so divide and multiply with x and take the limit, and this limit as x tends to 0 will be equal to 1, and so we have x cos x minus sin x divided by x cube. This is now 0 by 0 form. Now apply L'Hospital rule, means take derivative of numerator and denominator, and this is the derivative, this is x sin x by 3x square, and this is minus x नीचे कट जाएगा, minus 1 by 3 into sin x by x, minus 1 by 3 sin x by x की लिमिट हो जाएगी 1, and so answer is 1 by 3. Next example is here 1 by x square minus cot square x. This is similar to the example, this is also infinity by infinity form. Again change cot x into cos x by sin x, then take LCM, and then taking derivative step by step. Steps are lengthy, but here this is the derivative 2 sin x cos x, then here is x square into 2 cos x, cos x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन x माइनस cos square x into 2x, और नीचे हो गया 4x क्यूब. सो दिस इज 0 by 0 फॉर्म. नाउ 2 sin x cos x किसका फॉर्मूला है, sin 2x का, और यही फॉर्मूला यहाँ भी लगा लेंगे. सो दिस इज x स्क्वायर sin 2x माइनस 2x इंटू cos square x. अब फिर से ये 0 by 0 फॉर्म है, सो टेक डेरिवेटिव. दिस इज, इसका डेरिवेटिव होएगा 2 cos 2x, x स्क्वायर एज इट इज, sin 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 cos 2x, देन sin 2x एज इट इज, और x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2x, देन माइनस 2x एज इट इज, cos स्क्वायर x का डेरिवेटिव 2 cos x इंटू में माइनस sin x ब्रैकेट में, एंड माइनस 2 cos स्क्वायर x, और नीचे का डेरिवेटिव हो गया 12x स्क्वायर. अब जब हम लिमिट लेंगे तो दिस विल बिकम अगेन 0 by 0 फॉर्म. नाउ कलेक्ट द टर्म, सिंप्लीफाई, एंड अगेन विल बिकम 0 by 0 फॉर्म, एंड प्रोसीड लाइक दिस, and collect the term and simplify the terms and then put the limit, and you will get the answer as in last like this, and this is 2 by 3, and this is the answer.